Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a look at our new 2024 190 Boston Whaler Montauk. We'll take a look at the outside, then we'll go inside, and I'll show you how we option this boat. It is available. It's here in our showroom, sitting on a tandem trailer with a spare tire. See, it's a full color hull. Does have the bimini, the seating package. There's your swim platform. We'll go up inside and take a look. This boat does have a stereo, your SIMRAD, depth sounder, VHF, your gauge package. It is a flip seat with a live well. Seats aft with cup holders. 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke. Boat does have the fishing package, which gives you the tackle box on the side. Your USB port up forward. Cup holders. Cushion forward, split bow rail. Has the new style cooler. You can get a picture of that. The heavy duty igloo. Your rod holders. So it is here. It is available. Come take a look. Thank you.